What's up, YouTube family? How you doing? This is your boy Kurat Smalls, 4K Tech. On this episode, I want to talk with you about me and my brother on FaceTime just now, and we tried to do a FaceTime unboxing. For some reason, the audio didn't went through, so this is a voice over for you guys out there to get my reaction because he's showing me a phone that he just got. So the phone that he just got is the we gotta wait for it because I don't want to say it on YouTube, but I want you to see what he got to show you. Right now, this is his place, a nice place. Really great place inside. So I like the wood and floor that he have. So he should be coming any second. So right now, he unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S24 Orchard. So he unboxing in the purple color. So this is a really great time. This is the first Orchard phone with a pen. I think he had the S21 Orchard in the past, the 2020 Orchard in the past, but this one is maybe his second one. I would love to grab me one in the near future. So I just wanted to see his reaction. The phone that he is, the phone that I using right now, where I did the screen recording on there was the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I using my iPhone 15 to do the recording and such. So it's really awesome for my twin brother, LaVellay, known as what's her name, former name, before he changed it. So right now he about to open the box, and he don't want to give no details inside because show his personal information. So right now he about to open the box and show you the phone. So while he doing that, this is how the phone look. Before he show you phone, he got to remove something from off the phone. Then he got to place it down. Then he got to show you what he wants to show you. But this is his unboxing. This is his phone, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Orchard. So it's very nice. Like, I gotta give you my reaction right now. I love the color. The vitamin purple color is really good. But before he want to show you the phone, he wants to show you what comes inside the box. So basically what comes inside the box is the regular stuff that you always get, like your slim card tray for to open the key right here. Then you got your charger port coming up right now. So he about to show you the charger port right here. So it's really great just to see a charger port right there on the Type-C 2x2. He is really happy. You can see how his reaction is. Like, he literally, I never seen this man so happy in my life. He been wanting to get that phone for a while. Now, the another thing I like about this, because his phone is unlocked, so he could either take this to any phone company or any place that he could think of. So he could either turn on a phone with any phone company and just pay the amount that he had to pay, and he good. And that's the beautiful thing about that. So his phone is officially unlocked with ATT. So I could waiting for I think with iPhones we had to wait. He bought the phone at Best Buy. So Best Buy have unlocked devices. You go to the store and it will be locked. So always go to Best Buy to buy your iPhone or your Samsung phone over there. So right now he about to whip the screen up, and wow, look at that display. Wow. And like I say before, I can't stop looking at the display. That display is nice. It reminds me like when I unboxed my iPhone like couple what 1 week ago, and just seeing it like this week he unboxed his Samsung phone. So he got two good phones. He got this iPhone iPhone 15 Pro Max, and he have the Samsung S24 Ultra. So he gonna be taking lots of pictures with their phone. So, but this just show you if you have patience and things will work out. So it like his story and his understanding. So I'm really happy that everything is going right for him. So he not gonna go too in deep into doing the setup, but he is how to let you go. So right here, I have to say goodbye. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe on my YouTube channel. If you like what you saw just now, because that was just a simple unboxing. This video not meant to do a long video, but right here, I will give my reaction to my twin brother. So I would tell my twin brother I really love how his phone look. The color, I really like he picked that color. And I think this is one of the best devices